Orion 6 adopts coupling technology. Target aldehyde premixed combustion technology and wing tube heat transfer technology. Deep integration. Combustion efficiency up to 103.44%. NOx emission values below 30 milligrams per cubic meter. Low water quality requirements and fast steam response. The floor area is about 50% smaller than that of the same steam pier boiler. Fully automatic program control with a variety of protective devices. Fault identification data analytics record query. Save on both fuel costs and operating expenses. It can also improve the overall operating efficiency of the boiler. Kill two birds with one stone.